Hello and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to create a pasta dish using minced lamb for my online cooking classes. And I chose the country of Turkey as the starting point for this recipe idea. In Turkey, they call pasta makarna. So I've simply called this dish lamb makarna. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you. So on my counter, we have the ingredients for my lamb makarna. So let's go through them. We've got 500 grams of minced lamb. This is 10% fat. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. If you can only get 20% fat, then you don't need the olive oil. We've got 80 grams of finely diced onions. We've got 10 grams of garlic that we're going to finely chop up. We've got 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We've got 1 tablespoon of cumin, ground cumin. We've got 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. We've got 1 sprig of thyme out the garden. We've got 400 grams of paccheri pasta. And with the pasta, we're going to put it in brown butter. So that's 45 grams of butter and half a teaspoon of paprika. And for the garnish, we've got 50 grams of red pepper and 2 tablespoons of flat parsley and 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. And finally, I have my lamb stock. I went to my butcher and I've got some lamb bones and I roast the bones together with some vegetables to make a really rich, dark lamb stock. We're going to use 400 milliliters for our dish. And here on the counter are my ingredients for my chili and honey yogurt that we serve with this dish. We have 150 grams of full fat yogurt, Greek yogurt, nice and thick. We've got 4 grams of garlic cloves that we're going to crush. We've got 1 tablespoon of good quality clear honey, and we've got 1 level teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I've just put my tablespoon of olive oil into my hot pan, and for a dish like this I like to use my wok because it will contain everything really easily, and the pan is really nice and hot. I've got it on high, and now we're going to put our 500 grams of minced lamb straight in there. And you can tell that the pan is hot because it's already sizzling. So it's important to break up the lamb, particularly these days when they put it into a vacuum pack. It kind of pushes it all together. You want to break up the lamb, and we want to get some colour on the lamb before we add the other ingredients. So I've been cooking the lamb down and stirring it to continue to break it up. And you can see that it's starting to get a little bit of colour on it. And also there's not a lot of moisture coming out of it, which is a good sign that I have some quality lamb. So now we're going to start adding the other ingredients. So first we're going to go with the 80 grams of onions. Make sure that we get all those onions in there. And we'll give that a stir. And pretty much immediately afterwards, we'll go with our garlic. We've got 10 grams of garlic. And we'll put that also into the mixture. And again, we'll give that a good stir. And then we'll start putting in our spices. We've got our cumin, a tablespoon of ground cumin, tablespoon of smoked paprika. Should we get all of that? Give that a stir. Get those spices all nicely distributed. And now we're going to put a sprig of thyme. I'm going to keep the thyme on the branches, and I'm going to take this out later on. We'll just put the thyme in there. We'll get all that flavour, and then we'll fish out any kind of thyme branches later on once it's cooked. It's really easy. Finally, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste into the mixture. And then we, of course, are going to give it another stir. So I've turned the heat down to about halfway, to about number 5. And now we're going to start putting in our 400 millilitres of really nice, dark, rich lamb stuff. We're going to pour it in gradually, give it a stir. And then pour a little more in. Finally, we'll put the rest in. And now we're going to bring it up to a simmer, and we're going to let this simmer between 25 and 30 minutes until it reduces down. So on the board we have our ingredients for our honey and garlic yogurt that we serve on the side of this dish. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a tablespoon of olive oil into our crushed chilies, and we're going to give that a stir around, which will help to start bringing out the flavour of those crushed chilies. And into that we're also now going to add a tablespoon of clear honey. I want to make sure that we get all of the honey out, so probably it will be a good idea for me to reverse this and put that all in there, because the oil will loosen the honey. We'll just stir that around, and we're going to drizzle this onto the yogurt later on. So that bit's done, and here we have our 150 grams of whole fat Greek yogurt, and we're going to stir in our 4 grams of crushed garlic. And then we want to give this a really good stir around so that the garlic is flavoured throughout the yogurt. And then later on we're going to put this into a serving bowl. So now I want to make brown butter for the pasta. Often in Turkey they toss pasta in butter, and sometimes they brown it, and so we're going to do that. So we've got our 45 grams of unsalted butter. We're going to put that into a saucepan, and we're going to get it hot on a medium-high heat. So what you wait for with the butter is when you put the butter on first, it starts cooking out all the water in the butter. And now you can see it's just about starting to turn a little bit of colour in it, just the lightest of colour. You don't want too much, but it'll have a nutty flavour. When it starts to get a little bit of colour on it, then we're going to add our paprika in there. So you can see that the foam on top is looking a little bit more of a browner colour. So that's an indication. Now we can go with our paprika. And we're just going to stir that in. And then we have our lovely golden brown butter. And we're going to take that off the heat until we need it to toss in the pasta. So with the lamb almost cooked, we've turned the heat down on the lamb, and we want to start cooking our pasta, the paccheri. So we're going to put a good handful of table salt into our water, and we've got our 400 grams of pasta that we're going to drop in. The pasta needs plenty of space to move around, so it's important, particularly in the first couple of minutes of cooking, that you stir it around until the heat comes back up. Whenever you're putting something cold, like the pasta, into boiling water, you have a heat exchange. So it'll take a minute or two to come back up to heat. So that's when your pasta can stick to the bottom of the saucepan if you don't keep an eye on it. So the lamb is fully cooked now. We've turned it right down, just going to keep it warm now, and we want to season it. I didn't want to season it at the beginning because then it can get too salty by the time it's reduced down and cooked. So we're now going to season it with some black pepper. Give that a stir in. And also some salt, some sea salt. too much, because you can always add more, but you can't take away. And we're going to have a taste, and then we're going to take out the thyme, the little leaves of thyme. So let's have just a little taste. That is excellent. It doesn't need any more salt and pepper. It's perfect as it is. So now we're ready to drain the pasta. It's been cooking for about 13 minutes. And once we've drained it, then we're going to pour the brown butter into the pasta. So now we're going to take about half of our parsley and half of our mint, stir that into our mixture, and then the rest we're going to sprinkle on the top of each portion. So now we're just going to pour that brown butter over the pasta and just gently stir it in, and we're ready to serve. So we're going to sprinkle some of our chopped red peppers on the dish, and we're also going to put some onto our salad. We're also going to put a little bit more of the mint and the chopped parsley. And then finally, we're going to stir in our red peppers, chili peppers, and honey mixture into our yogurt. Just like that. So here we have our delicious finished dish. Lamb Makarna served on paccheri pasta, all that spicy minced lamb, full of flavour, and then topped with chili and honey yogurt, and served with a salad. Enjoy.